I'm a person that has to get my 10,000 steps in, and this walking pad is perfect for me. It comes in a flat box. There's really no setup required. You simply just pull up the handlebar, tighten it up, and you're pretty much good to go. It's got a nice little spot for your phone. It has an emergency clip, so you're just going to clip that on. You can use the remote to turn it on, or you can use the handlebar, and that's it. It's got a very comfortable walking pad. You can either walk or jog, and there's an incline up to 8%. I love that I can watch TV while I'm getting my steps in, or I can take a quick little jog. It's just super convenient for me to do this, especially during the winter. If you're worried about the sound, let's go ahead and take a listen. Not bad at all, and definitely what I would expect. Putting it away is super simple too. You're just going to unplug it, loosen the handlebar, close it all up, and there are wheels on one end, which makes it super easy to move around your house. It also has these really nice suction cups on the bottom, so that's going to keep it firmly in place while you're using it. I'm just going to go ahead and keep it here behind my dining room door. If you're looking for something compact, this is perfect. This is really going to help me get my 10,000 steps in.